Hey there, Mike here with PinballHelp.com. Here's the status of the continued work on the Space Mission electromechanical game. This is the player stepper unit. I've got it partially apart. I've chosen to try to work on pieces a little bit at a time without actually pulling the unit out. I want to make sure that I don't accidentally mess things up. So this unit, this little arm right here, went over that. And this is what ratcheted. Now before, this is the part that wouldn't move, this little part right here. So I'm continuing to clean it up, and I'm using a little silicone lube and some white lithium grease, and then I'm kind of wiping it all nice and clean and just making sure that it's free of debris. I'm going to continue to clean it. And then this is next, this little part right here. This is kind of gunked up. It just doesn't move very freely. So I'm going to, I've already taken one spring off and a washer, and I'm going to slide this off. Now, you'll notice that this gear is spring loaded, and there's the spring right there. It goes right on the end of this. Now, I wanted to make sure I didn't fiddle with this because I don't think this really needs to be cleaned. I mean, it could be cleaned, but I don't want to run the risk of throwing the alignment of this off or the tension in the spring. So I've just got the spring unlatched and sitting right here against that while I clean this. So I'm kind of taking a little bit of a minimalist approach towards fiddling with this. I want to make sure that I clean these two assemblies that are connected to the coils and see if that fixes it first. If I still have problems, then I will reluctantly take this apart. But see, this is lined up a certain way, and I know that there's probably some registration marks and something like that, but I want to make sure, I'm going to avoid having to take that whole assembly apart if I don't have to, when it's just these two arms here, which are the ones that are gunked up. So I'm going to take this one off next and then clean it, and then I'm going to try to reassemble everything. See, here's an end of stroke switch for one of the assemblies. It's out of alignment a little bit, so I may see about fixing that too. And there we go. Work continues on cleaning this up, and we'll see if we can get it working. Thanks for watching.